Welcome back to Shib everyone. By 2025, what is the estimated value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins? Shib News. The eagerly anticipated Shiba is currently nearing completion. The crypto community is thrilled about the debut of this Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, according to the most recent updates from the Shibainu team. The price of Shib began to rise as soon as it was reported that the Shiba testnet would go live. One of the reasons the coin has performed well is the increasing demand for it, as more investors purchase Shiba Inu before the expected boom following the product's real introduction. The main issue with Shiba Inu's reliance on the Ethereum blockchain has been addressed by Shib's design and development. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be powered by the blockchain solution, which will also enable developers to expand upon it. As a result, it is among the most important tools that will increase Shiba Inu coin usage. The value of 20 million Shib coins by 2025 will be discussed in this video. Shib News. To view our most recent information on expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inu, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get the video started right now. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 15.2% in the last day and 31.2% in the last 7 days on January 17. According to market capitalization, Shib is presently the 13th largest digital asset. But among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, its price of 0.12 represents one of the greatest days. The 24-hour trading volume of the memecoin increased by around 200%. With the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. Altcoins are seeing robust rallies following those of the market leaders, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, as has frequently happened in past market cycles. Traders reinvesting their gains from large-cap assets into smaller ones could be the cause of this. According to data from CryptoQuant, on January 10th, over 14 trillion Shib tokens were placed on exchanges, marking a huge rise in the quantity of tokens being moved to these platforms. The price increase today implies that instead of being sold in the spot market, holdings might be used to open derivative bets. If long positions start to liquidate, the Shib price may become more volatile if the recent price movements are based on the derivatives market. The Shiba Inu team said earlier this week that it is developing Shiba, a Layer 2 network that will run on Ethereum. This was acknowledged by the team in their project introduction blog article. Although some people believe Shiba is a price-pumping tool, that has never been the project's main goal. Instead, the company contends that its new Layer 2 network would boost ecosystem token transaction speeds and reduce expenses. The price of Shiba has experienced a remarkable upswing over the month of January. However, since wider time periods do not provide the best bullish indications, prudence may still be warranted. Investors are paying close attention to Shiba Inu's price since the month's surge in volatility has produced a number of lucrative day trading chances. The technicals indicate a northward stop in the market, but they also highlight grounds to doubt the long-term viability of the uptrend. The current price of Shiba Inu is 0.0000001037. On the daily time frame, the Relative Strength Index RSI, an indicator that evaluates trend potential by contrasting and comparing prior pivot points, displays an odd circumstance. Given that the indicators broke above overbought circumstances above the 70 level during the most recent surge, they are definitely optimistic. Regretfully, the rise hardly affected the weekly RSI. The surge exhibits a concealed bearish divergence and stays in the neutral zone. This might be a subliminal indication that the market's early bulls are rowing toward a waterfall that could be liquidated in the upcoming weeks. If so, a challenge to the recent origin point at 0.000000000800 might be successful, leading to a 25% drop in the current Shib price. Additionally, the smart money may qualify Shib's potential for future uptrends at the liquidity level above the concealed bearish divergence. If the bearish argument is refuted by a breakthrough of 0.1516, a rally toward the August high of 0.1793, which would represent a 75% rise from Shinu's current market value, might be initiated, Many people expressed their admiration for Shiba Inu in the comment thread on January 15, 2023, and occasionally even expressed a preference for it above Dogecoin, the original meme token that was introduced as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. Shib is still rising steadily, and there are currently no indications that the market is turning around. The primary cause of this sudden increase is probably related to a number of showroom-related updates and listings on several major cryptocurrency exchanges. Since Shiba Inu has been consolidating at the 200 and 100-day moving averages for over 4 days, which may have been an accumulation period before to the breakout we saw today, it has also been indicating the potential for a breakout. However, based on his previous tweets, David Jin only has Doge and Shiba Inu. The burning volume will probably continue to rise in early December if the market's current price momentum holds. The Japanese trading platform altcoin Japan, a division of the San Francisco-based exchange, added support for the second largest meme coin by market capitalization value. The market is not expected to do much, and the bearish tendencies are still there, according to the most recent Shiba Inu coin news. It might take a while for the industry to bounce back from this trend. While some analysts predict that investors will have a prosperous future, many believe that a significant crypto winter is still to come. The price may surpass the 0.269 mark with additional stimulation from projects like DAO Shino Game and NFTs. In the meantime, the price may drop to 0.185 due to normal buying and selling pressures. Lastly, the price may drop to 0.00102 due to bearish patterns. The increasing adoption by luxury and retail firms may pave the path for international recognition and the flood of high-end clients. The spike influence can be seen sequentially, as whales currently own the largest stake, followed by investors and retail. Nevertheless, the volume that retailers have helped has been steadily increasing. Shib's price might therefore reach a price tag of 0.36 with a rise in buy orders. However, declining Shib statistics and little traffic could drive the price down to 0.35. The average price may find its foundation at 0.00250 when taking into account the bullish and bearish targets. Shib is anticipated to grow significantly over time if the maker's innovative ideas come to fruition, and if it becomes a prominent player in the metaverse. If the community drives the price with typical buying and selling pressures, Shib's price can end up at 0.00437. The average price at which Shib could trade is 0.377. On the dark side, FUD and pessimistic attitudes could drive the price down below 0.000000318 if investors are unable to keep up with the digital assets' liquidity on exchanges. It should be emphasized that the price of Shiba Inu is currently down more than 87% from its all-time high of 0.000008845. However, if the bulls surge in, Shiba Inu might reach reachable highs of 0.259 by the end of 2023, based to CoinPD's forecasted Shiba Inu price. On the downside, the meme coin's price may enter a bearish hook and drop to 0.00112 if it succumbs to bearish trends driven by large liquidations. The network added Leash as the next token after Shib. The network swiftly transformed from a rebase token to a fungible one. The token presently has a fixed quantity of 100,000, and the keys were burned, just like the previous token. According to the network, there will be specific benefits for everyone who maintains the currency's liquidity. Since Ethereum powers the network, it is extremely secure while being a developing project. We may anticipate that Shiba Inu will benefit from the shift since Ethereum plans to move from POW to POS consensus techniques. Among other notable exchanges, the altcoin is listed on Coinbase Pro, Binance, CoinWear X India, and Uniswap. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. If you would like any additional refinements, please let me know.